Hello guys, I've got a beautiful news today. My 900 rated student won against 1700 rated player. He plays with white, his opponent plays with black. e4, e6, French defense. Looks very good. d5 and my student takes some space. And what would you do with black? Obviously, if somebody takes space here on the right, you take space on the left, right? Especially if you are black. And now this pawn looks weak. White should be doing this chain to defend this pawn. However, we play knight c3, which is a huge mistake. This knight will be useless right there. We'll be just attacking the pawn, but he will never succeed taking it because the pawn will always defend. So knight to c6, bishop to b5, fighting for the center, trying to get rid of this knight. Looks very good. Queen b6. That's the usual French move. B takes c, d4, and bishop a6. Do you understand this move? We are trying to cut off the castling. That's a very good idea, but, well, what if we just long castle somehow? Knight to a4, queen to a5, and obviously we need to go back. That was a bit of waste of a tempo. C takes d, knight d4, c5, knight b3. Well, I would love to play with black. What do you think? Queen to b4. I would play a3 just to get rid of this queen. Then maybe bishop f4 or oh no, bishop e3 doesn't look good. We are just going on to tactics, and if you guys watching this are struggling with tactics, that's the most important thing you need to do. Tactics will allow you to get huge rating. But it takes d, and bishop takes the pawn, queen takes the pawn. Well, now black should have played rook to d8, it would make more sense, but okay. Bishop e7 and long castle. Why didn't black play rook to d8? I mean, white wouldn't be able to long castle, he would win the tempo. That's just stupid. Knight to h6, knight to c5. 1700 rated player loses a queen. Alright, so now I understand why my student won the game. Because he is always training tactics with me. Always. Every session we do 5 minutes of training. By the way guys, if you are interested in becoming very good chess players, just click the link in description and I will take care of you. So rook to e1, knight to f5, queen to f4. Now we will just speed up because this game is a bit boring. Bishop c6, f4. What would you do here? Because I would be just setting up those pieces here and trying to attack the king. Okay. Okay, that's what he's doing. Rook to d3. Oh, I thought he's gonna play rook to h3 or play rook to d1. But okay, now he just gave away a file. That's stupid. Rook to e2, bishop e3, king to b1, and rook to d2. Bishop to d2. I don't know if black should be trying to trade. They are losing, they should be just staying there. Maybe bishop d4 would have been better, just to keep closer to all of the pieces. Alright, knight to e4, trading here, rook to a4. I'm really surprised because my student Jake, he's really good at strategy. Like he knows that he needs to trade the pieces when he's winning, and yes, I'm just proud. Queen to b3, king a2, rook to d2, queen c4, and oh no, queen to c8. Oh, okay, that's not the end yet. Rook to d8, maybe rook to c4. That's the power of tactics. So it takes, and just trades. Yes, he traded queen, which is 9 points, for a bishop, and rook, which is 8 points, so he lost a point, but who cares if now the position is very simple. You just take this pawn or even don't take it and just push all of the pawns here. Takes. I would just play rook to d7, okay. Now rook to d6. Why would you play rook to c8 blocking your pawn? Just rook to d6 is better. Knight e5, c6, he takes, and now yeah, we push again. That's another stupid move. Playing rook a6, he should have just played a4, b5. And yeah, now it's just a run. Queen g3, he could have played, well, queen g3, king e2, rook c2, king d1, and yeah, queen to c3. And if he takes the queen, queen to d2, checkmate. Okay. So yeah, so black is just doing some weird things, and eventually white wins. So what do you think about my student? Would you like to play like him and win against 800 rated more players? Click the link in the description and let's do some hard work to get you to the highest levels of chess. Goodbye.